Hello everyone, I just wanted to share with you this quick video with what I've found with regards to the noise inside of Tesla Model Y. So I've seen lots of video online where people are trying to put additional gasketing around the door, like these rubber gaskets. So keep in mind there's already two of these gaskets on the car on each one of these doors already. So here's the first one. And that first one touches this surface here, and then of course there's the second one. So you have the same on both of these doors. You have the same gasketing, so the noise is really not coming from those doors. Instead, the noise is actually coming from the back, from the back doors. And what I mean by that is actually, if you look closely, you have just one gasket around the hatch, right? There's nothing here on top. So what's really happening, so rather than relying on two gaskets, the door just simply relies on one gasket, but there's these things here which for whatever reason were not, in my case, adjusted properly. They were adjusted too high. There's four of these bumpers. Here's one, here's the second one, third one, and the fourth one. So as a result, this gasket was not really sitting correctly, and what I saw is that the car, or what I heard rather, is that the car was making a lot of noise inside, and to me that was very unusual and quite bothersome. So after making these adjustments, after turning these in about 1.5 to 2 turns, the car became immediately quieter, much better. So rather than hearing this mid-range ugly noise when you drive over holes and pots, you can now, it's now diffused. It's like this low frequency diffused sound like you normally hear on other cars with good gasketing. Another thing I did, I added this, put this cover here, which came with my car, and this additionally attenuated the sound. So all in all, this is one quick fix that I ended up implementing on my Model Y, and I am now quite happy with the noise inside of the vehicle, unlike before, where it was kind of loud. And that's, I think, is the problem that most people are dealing with respect to this Model Y, because the rear hatch door does not quite close and the gasket does not quite attenuate all the sounds from the outside of the car. So I just wanted to quickly show this to you, and I don't think it makes even any sense to put any additional gasketing on the door. Why? Because most people, most videos that I've seen online on YouTube, they all claim that the difference with and without those gaskets, additional gaskets on the door, is negligible, like 1 or 2 dBs, which is, you know, from my standpoint, is just not worth the effort. So try this. Try adjusting these bumpers on your Tesla Model Y. Go in 1.5 to 2 turns on each one of these, and then try that. Don't go too much, because if you do, then you may get misalignment between the hatch and the rest of the car. So try that, and leave me your comments below the video. Let me know if they work for you. Thank you.